will configure the header and then put it. So yes, so what I have to check here is what are the extra things which is added to the WP forms. Yes, storage not required. Okay, so WP forms will come here. So whenever there is what do you say, whenever there is a form submitted, you will get that notification here. I will show you how. So first we need to have this form ready. Okay, so for that you need to click on, either you can create your form from here or you just go to WP form, all forms, and then create a form. Both are same. So just remove this. Okay, let's go. Done. Name of the form. Okay, name of the form is lead generation. Okay, I will go for the blank. Here what you have to receive is name. Okay. In order to have the simplified name, you just click on this and have simple name. Then go to add field, email address, and then phone number. Where is it? Yeah, email address, phone number required. Okay, then go to add field. So what you will give here? This is a newsletter, right? So what you have to have is a site we are having. It's an IT service, right? And here we are missing enter your email address. So subscribe for new email ID. Yeah, I think this form is done. We need phone number. Yeah, company. So website. In order to make website URL, we will ask them company website URL required, and we will have one paragraph so that they can explain. Okay, this is only for newsletter, and that's fine. And the final one is the checkbox. So the checkbox will be I accept the terms and usage of appsatllp. I don't want to these two. Default is check. This one is yes, https /terms and usage required save. Okay, so we got this, and we'll close this one. We got the form, and the form is lead gen. So now then go to the pages, new tab, go there. The one which we created, yeah, we created IT service how to, then click on with Elementor, new tab. If your net is slow, then you will get this one. Enable safe mode. No need to worry. You just wait. And if it is taking too long time, just refresh. Wait. Refresh. It's because of my browser is slow, so that's the reason. Okay, now scroll down, and here is the configuration. Select the list. I think it is coming from someone else. So what I have to do is just it. Now click on WP. Do not get this here. So need to be on top. So copy this. Paste. I got this. And region. So yes, they can have submit their email address and phone number for the newsletters and update. And we have this plan. And I can remove this from here. Okay. Okay, so now updated. Okay, so now the page is ready. Now what we have to do? The second thing we have to do is header and footer. So what for that? You need to go back to the admin panel, and first you need to check which header you want to use and which header you don't want to use. Okay, we changed that one header, right? Now we change the logo. We remove that, what you say, the button, and we have this menu we will change later, not here in the header. The header is only to the layout of the header, so we change that one, and then we will go to the admin panel. Okay, in that admin panel we will go for appearance and then menu. So in that menu we will find the primary menu. So this is the primary menu. If you select that one, you will get all these information. So we don't want to use all these menus. Okay, so what we will do is we will have this home page, right? So we will let it be that home page, yeah, home 22, and we will remove everything. Okay, so bulk select everything. Select items. So yeah, this one is left. Wait, this one as well. So now what I will use mine, which is created one. So these two will be there. Click on save. So the plugin, I mean the header is changed now. If you go back to the header session, if I refresh this, see now we can see this menu. Hold on, select main menu. IT service, home and IT service. Where we want to get it? We want to get it in the right hand side. So here this is home and this is IT service. Just click on update and then open your home page. Okay, we updated. Now see, if you open your home page, uh, home page. I'm getting that exact one. See, now we have only two. One is home and one is the page which we have created. And the logo is already changed. And if someone open this page and they will scroll and they will verify everything and then they want to check your IT services and it will look like this. This is the IT services. This is the web page we have created and this is the form we have mentioned. And now we will go for this footer. Okay, so header is done. So this is, I mean, this page is getting a new, I mean, different header. So what we have to do is just go back to the admin panel how pages, or you can go directly from here itself. Just click on edit page. Okay, scroll down, click on this header layout. And click on header home 22, update. Okay, once it is done, then go back to the web page. Okay, then again go back to your IT services page which we created. Okay, if you hover that, you will find this. In order to get this one, I mean, transparent, I think it is there. Okay, then click on the header, uh, header home 22. Click on the entire section. Okay, go to the advanced. Check where is the background. Here you can't see the background, then it will be in the style. So come to the style. Yeah, here is the background. Click here and have this. Okay, now click on update. So once you are updated, then just go back to the main page. See, now it is also there, the color. Yes, this is the page we have created. And this is look like this. And then, okay, this is the page only we have created, right? So yeah. So now the page is done, header is done, then go to footer. So what is the footer we are having for this is footer 1. And what is the footer we are having at our home page? Where is it? Here the footer is footer home 22. So what we do is we will make it only one footer. Okay. So yeah, this one is fine. Then if you want to do changes, just go to that and click on footer home 22. So now select the email address to your hunting email. Sales.in and text will be that. If you want to give the link button, then you have to type mail to colon followed by sales and followed by the email ID of yours. Then yeah, update. You can have the phone numbers need to be updated. Okay, here I will have +91 8919844. Second one, I will have the US number +1 929 323 223. So this is the US number, and yes, we will have our office in US, which is 276. Fifth Avenue and 704 from 2004. Excuse me. Then New York 1001. So this is our office address in New York. And yeah, it is updated. So you can have all these information you can update on your own. Then you can have this one copyright and the copyright have. That's it. In terms of use and all, whatever information you have, you just need to have that one. If you select this company and if you go for this home, and the link will be http, okay, https how to geek.pro. Okay, so then the second one will be the one which we created, IT service how to, and the link, I need to check the link. This it here. So this is the link, and rest if you want to, you can have it or you can remove it. Okay, just an update. So yes, now the footer is done. So this is the footer home 22. But if you go for our page which we created, right? So this is the page which we created, right? So now you need to refresh. Okay, so if you see the header is good now, and the data and the footer, we need to change the footer. So how we need to change the footer? First, you should go to your pages, the one which we created, then go to edit, right click, new tab, scroll down. If you see this footer layout, you just simply select footer from 22 and then update. Okay, now if you go back, and go for the view, how it look like now. Header is same for the home page and the page which we are created. And if you scroll down, even the footer is now the same. Here is the page we created. Here is the phone numbers and email ID, and then what is it, address. Everything is now updated. So this is one way of creating the header and footer. And there is another way where we can have a global footer and global header. I mean, which is applicable to all the pages without doing manually for each and every page. For that, what you have to do is just go to Elements Kit, okay, and then go to header and footer. Okay, so yeah, we just added everything, right? So we will go for the custom and we will have all the features enabled. Don't give any email address here. Okay, we don't need this, and then don't share this sensitive data with the developer. Save changes. That's it. We are done. So once it is done, then go to header and footer. Now there is no header and footer. Just create a new one. Title is header. Type. You can have this header, and the condition is for entire site. Make it as active. Save changes. Okay, so now the header is active. So what you have to do is just edit. Just click on edit and click on edit with Elementor. So now we need to create a header. So just go to Elements Kit, Sections, then select any one, whichever you prefer. I'm selecting the first one. Okay, so now this one is appear here, then click on this one and change the phone number. See, this is the display text, not the actual the number it will go in dial. Okay, so next what we will do is +91. Okay, +91 8919844. Then it is the number. Then what you have to do is call 2 colon followed by the number +91 8919844. That's it. If someone click here, he will get a call. I mean, if they are using mobile, yes, they can have it. And if you are using any web calling facility, then yes, you can use this one-click calling information. I mean, dial. Then again, sales appsat not in. Just copy and type mail to paste. That is mail is done. Then New York, it is 276. We are at Fifth Avenue. We have one more thing called suit 904-101. We already have that one, right? Sorry, 704 2000. Did I miss something? Okay, now the address is done. You can have this. Okay, now you can select the social media and you can give your links, respective links of that particular social media, and then click on update. So the upper section is done. Now you need to change the logo to the official. I mean, I'm using my office one. You can have your own logo. So just scroll down. Yes, here is the logo. Use it. Yeah, that is done. Now click on this menu. So you need to select the main menu from the drop down, and you need to have this one in here and here. Done. See, we have two types. One, we have manually updated the header and footer now and for each and every page. But what we are doing now, we are just having one header which is applicable to all the pages. So I just added this one. So the header is done now. Now go back to the admin. Go back to the admin panel. Now one header is done. Okay. So if you see this, previously we don't get this one WP form. We getting create a form option. Now what we are getting how many forms is submitted on day wise. We will getting this. Okay, so now we have to go to elements kit and go to header footer. Now we need to create a footer which is applicable to entire site. Okay, so now make a footer. Type is footer, entire site, yes. Save changes. and then go to that footer, click on edit, then click edit with Elementor. So now this is a blank one. So we are creating the footer. So go to section. Now select this category to where is footer. Yeah, here is the footer. Okay, so all these options is coming. So what I will check here is yeah, I will go for this. Fine. It is not there. Okay, click on insert. Getting an error. Refresh. Okay. Click on category. Go to footer. Yeah, this one insert. Okay. On insert. Not sure why it is not taking. So let me check this one. This one is done. Okay, so here what you have to do is just go to the logo, change the logo. And the logo is changed. I need to reduce the size to this. Okay, go back to the style. Maximum width. Okay, width to be height. Done. And here you can type 90 services. Then again home, you just click on that, useful link, just click on the option, remove the temp. Okay, then show label sample page. No, you need to select the home 22. This is the home page. Then done. Then again, it is asking for contact form. No, we don't have that contact form. We will have IT services. How to? And then we will check the page. Yeah, this is the page we have created, the first one, I guess. Yeah, the first one. This is the page we have created. And then click on update. You can edit the links of your social media, and you can have all these pages need to be configured according the pages which you have created. If you don't have this much of pages, you just simply remove that one and arrange the icons as you feel good. Okay, so yes, here you need to give your link of your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram, etc. So in the bottom section, yes, we need to change all right reserved to 2023 Appsat. So most of the time, we better not to give the date. I mean the year, because every year you need to change that one, and then we'll have other section. So here also it is giving head temp. So why should I get here terms and usage. You need to select the link according to that. Okay. And also for this header, you are saying you need to mention that is privacy policy. And again, the same privacy policy link. Okay, link, then you need to click on update. So now the footer is also done. So what we have to do is just go back to our this main page. Okay. The latest foot header, what we are updated, is now getting affected to all the pages. Header, and if you scroll down, footer. So this is the easiest way. That's why element kits are much more useful. If you go for IT service also, it will give you the header and footer to the elements kits one which we created now. See this, and if you scroll down and see, here also it is updated. So likewise, the header and footer need to be created for the entire site using the elements kit. So that is one part. The another part is with respect to the elements kit is mega menu. So how the mega menu will look like, I will show you that one now. So now go back to the admin page and then go to appearance and then menu. We got the menu. So here what you have to do is enable this menu for mega menu content. Okay, then click on save menu. Okay, so once we enable this one, So it will, if you hover the mouse, see here you can see mega menu. Mega menu will only display for the main option. If you have, see, you can see mega menu option here. But if you scroll down, if you drag it to the sub menu, okay, sub menu items can't get into the mega menu options. Only the main options will get the mega menu. Okay, so here, uh, now first I will check. Yeah, so both will be having the mega menu. For the home button, yes, first I will configure for this mega menu. So mega menu is disabled currently. I enabled it, and user mobile submenu as builder content, and then click on save. Once it is saved, it is done. Then click on edit mega menu content. If I go back this, click here. No. Okay, I have to use this one. Uh, Anyone can tell me, are you able to see my the new pop-up uh, tab, which is a blank page where I need to create a menu? One can. Kum Pushpa, you can speak.
Sir, it's only the white one.
I mean, there is blank, right?
So there is blank, but there are 3 plus, and then there is folder and.
Yeah, thanks. Okay, so now you can mute yourself. I doubt it is not showing, but fine, it is showing. Okay, so this, okay, wait, I need to cut those. Yeah, so this is the interface where you need to create the mega menu. So what we'll do is just go to the elements kit and go to section. Now go to the category. Here you will find mega menu. Just click on that. So there are a lot of options you will get for the mega menu. Or if you want to have all the sections, you can have it, and you can have it anything as a mega menu option. So here now I don't want to go for the only limited to the mega menu. I want to go with everything. Even I can have the call to action section in the mega menu. So what I will do is I will just select the all category to go for the all, and I will scroll down and I will check which one is good for the home button mega menu, and based on that I will configure that. So here, what I feel is good. Okay, so what I will have the home button as a mega menu is the traditional one, which we will have in most of the sites. Yeah, this one, mega menu. Okay, so this you will get it, and you just need to edit all these options. What's new, instead of getting that what's new. Come on. It is loading. You can go select the second one, the filter, the layout, horizontal. Okay, here it is showing for the product. If you have the WooCommerce, then it will display here. Otherwise, it won't display anything. And if you go for select the what's new, and you will have global standard. Oh, mistake. Global stand. Global standard. Now I want to give that one as a IT services. Okay. So what's new will come followed by that subtitle. No, shadow text and the separator. No, nothing is there. Where do I find this? What's new? Okay, there's nothing here. Yeah, what's new? I don't want this. Maybe remove it. Okay, so this is the global standard service. We can have multiple, all the pages what we have created, we can have each and every pages here. So if you need get more on this thing, okay, you can select this. Okay, so what you have to do is here you need to have your IT service. So this is IT service. I don't want to have this subtitle. No. Okay. So IT service, in that IT service, we will have our link. The first one, T service, and the link is https to git.pro/T service how to. So that's the link we have, and we are updated. So we need to change this image to a suitable one. So this is an IT service. So yeah, get this. Click on select. So this. So all these parameters you need to change according to your number of pages. So each page will have each entry here. So each section, I mean, the main section will have here, and that sub page will have come here. And this is the mega menu, how it will look like. So let me update this. Okay, so now it is updated. Just close it, save it. Now the home button is done. So what we have to do is the second button. Here you need to have. So if you want to check how it is look like, just go back to any page, refresh. Go to the top. Okay, so if you hover the mouse here, see global IT standards, I'm getting this. This is called mega menu. And if you go hover the mouse on the second option, you won't get anything. But we will create for that one as well now. So how to do that? Go to the admin panel and then appearance menu. Select that exact option where you want to. So it is by default is disabled. Enable it, save, and edit with Elementor. Again, that will be the same blank one. You will get it. All you have to select the exact one. So again, go to Elements Kit. Not only Elements Kit, if you want to do it on your own, yes, you can do it on your own. Whatever you design here, it will display over there. So here, what I will select for this, scroll down, I'll select for this. Okay, so this one I have created. Please enter the atmosphere. It will look like what I have to give here is IT services. IT services. Okay, and the description. We provide global T services, and here you can have consulting. We provide IT consulting services, and here you can have deployment. You can mention we provide IT infra services. And if you click on this read more button, so what you have to do is icon consulting. Yeah, click on that read more. In the link, you have to give that diploma consulting. So what you have to do is you have to create one more page called consulting, and you have to give that link here. And again, same one more page called deployment, and give that link here in the read more button. So instead of having the read more, you can have Here, one more. Okay. So when followed by the button here, I can have this IT service. Both the cases I'm giving only one link because we have created only one page, right? So yeah, that's why I'm giving on one link. I'm updating. So I updated this and I will go back, save, close this. Now I will refresh. Okay, see, previously we have created this mega menu. For this, there is nothing. If you refresh, I got this. I mean, you need to design even more better. I mean, if you want how you need to do that, just go to the header. Where is that header? Now we go to elements kit, header and footer. Okay. So once you have done this, you need to click save changes. Otherwise it won't get effect. So you have done, then go to elements kit. Okay. Elements kit, header and footer. So now go to the header one, edit with Elementor. Okay, so now click on this. This one is here. That's why we are not able to get the exact look. So what we can do is we can drag this one to the middle. Okay, come on. Oh, okay. My mouse is not working properly. So yes, you can just drag it. It is not doing. So let me select that one. Instead of center, I will check for left. Okay, now it is coming to the middle. So click on update and then go back to the page, refresh. Now it is in the right side, right? If you update, see now it is got into the middle. So now the look is good. So here the height and the top and bottom is having bit extra space. So what I have to do is I have to remove that space. So in order to do that, I have to go to the IP. Okay, the sharing is gone. Just go for the sharing and templates. Okay, so we need to get the mega menu. See, if you want to edit the header, then you need to click on edit with Elementor. If you want to edit the header, the mega menu, then you need to go to appearance and then menu. Mega menu option will not under Elements Kit. Mega menu options provided by Elements Kit, but you have to configure in the menu option. Then I go to this one, mega menu. Okay. So if I have to check anything, mega menu position as relative, then go to default, enable Ajax load. Okay. Let's go to the full width, click on save, come back to the content, click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so I have to click this. Entire section is boxed. Let's make it to full width. And then the gap should be no gap. Okay, and the height will be the minimum height. We can adjust that one. Yes. The middle, instead of that, can have top. And then go for the middle column position, right? And overflow is hidden. Vertical alignment in the middle. For the structure, okay, that's fine. And for the header, sticky, no, we don't want to have any sticky. And if you go back here, see, there is a huge padding in the top and bottom. I don't want that padding. Remove. Then I want only this. Update. But here I just want to add some padding to this particular one in order to look good. Okay, go for padding for 20. Oh, it will gone for all. So I need to unlink. Go for the 20. Oh, let's go for 200 now. Yes, now it is for 20. Now click on update. Okay, now it is updated. Just close it, save it. It is done. Close. Then go to visit site, new tab. See now, this one is now looking good. It is coming all over the width. So likewise, you need to design the mega menu. This is the home mega menu, and this is the second section mega menu. So now the mega menu is also done. So